Alright guys, so we've got another exciting project in this week. So we've got this Lamborghini Aventador S here behind me. We're actually going to take off all the existing PPF on it. That's probably over about half of the vehicle. As you can see, it's already yellowing. It's a non-XL product. It's just didn't quite cover all the edges, and customers looking for something a little bit more. So we just picked this up, did some customization, and got some wheels, lowered it, new exhaust. We're going to go through and actually kind of perfect the way it looks on the outside as far as the paint goes. So we're going to be removing all the existing PPF. We're going to give it a full paint correction, and we're also going to do a full ceramic coating over top of it as well. So stay tuned, there's lots more to come. Hey guys, it's Aaron with IXEXOTICS. We just finished up this Lamborghini Aventador S project that came to us for PPF removal, PPF replacement, full paint correction, ceramic coating, and we actually custom matched the wheels to match the Rosso Festo paint on the vehicle as well. Let's take a look. All right, and as you can see, this car actually has a custom set of Anchor 3-piece wheels. So these wheels were unfortunately damaged on the way to the customer from delivery by transport, but the car was coming here anyways, so we were able to manage to get those repaired and fixed. We took the wheel off, completely tore it apart, got it down to each individual component, and then we actually repaired and repainted the lips and the barrels to match the Rosso Festo Lamborghini paint. Then put them all back together, and now he has that flawless finish on these custom one-off wheels. The vehicle is a 2018, so it already had some paint protection on it from whoever bought it originally. However, the PPF that was on it was just on the front and the rocker panels and is what we call a kit installation, meaning that it's just as it comes from the kit. They're not going to extend any edges. They're not going to wrap around many edges of the film. So along most of the edges, you could see just some wear and tear. Some of it was looking a little weathered. Some of it had just done its job, and it prevented the paint from getting any kind of defects or any kind of damage rather. So after we removed all the existing PPF, we went ahead and did a full paint correction over the full vehicle. That helped remove any kind of swirls, scratching, marring, just kind of general use on that exposed paint damage from the elements. Once that was off and the paint was again perfected, we went ahead and installed full car clear draw with extended edges and modified the pattern to eliminate any unnecessary seams. The vehicle is completely covered. You can hardly see the PPF at all on the car now as opposed to how it was before. Once that's completely on, we do a full ceramic coating to make sure that's the outermost layer of chemical protection. If there's anything you need for your vehicle, whether it be protection, customization, or even repair, give us a call at IXEXOTICS, where we're about more than just ownership.